presenting a pre-owned 2010 BMW. This four-door sedan has a six-cylinder, 3.0-liter i6 engine with rear-wheel drive and transmission. This BMW has less than 62,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 18 miles per gallon in the city and 28 miles per gallon on the highway. Key features include premium package, auxiliary audio input, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.